Welcome to Hatchbox Highlights, where we give you some quick insight on Hatchbox filaments. Today we'll be highlighting our top-selling PLA. Print all your favorites and more with the premier quality of our PLA that will enable you to see your thoughts and concepts engineered into a real and rewarding reality. PLA filament is known for its easy printability, low melting point, and optional heat bed. It is also less susceptible to warping, which translates to great-looking prints with minimal adjusting to your settings. PLA is able to be used on nearly all household 3D printers on the market with ease. These features make it a great option for beginners and seasoned printers alike. So, you might be wondering, any special settings to print PLA? The recommended specifications are as follows. Recommended extrusion nozzle temp, 180 degrees Celsius to 210 degrees Celsius. No heating bed required. You may be also asking what PLA looks like. Finished prints that appear and feel smooth straight off the printer. There are many colors available to meet your needs. Every spool is assured to offer the highest caliber of performance possible. From all of us here at Hatchbox, thank you for tuning in. Until next time.